I am a library super fan. Hi, my name is Crocker. I am an experience designer and director, and my upcoming project for the library is to create a series of site-responsive, interactive installations that encourage and invite people to engage with their branch and create new stories that could only take place in the library. There are so many adorable and wonderful activations for children within the library to get them to understand it. The excitement I feel and the challenge of this project is to create something that is truly all ages, that younger folks would be excited by, but older folks wouldn't be embarrassed by, that there is a gentle invitation to play that doesn't feel eye-rolly or pressure-filled. The opportunity to do something so personal and so uniquely quiet feels really important right now for me myself as an artist, and also for the world at large, to have something that isn't broadcast immediately as you experience it. There's something reverent in the privacy, a story that's just for you. I can't wait to put this project into the world because I love it.